Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We hopped in a tuk-tuk and strolled with the family to reach one of the most beautiful spots in Sri Lanka, Ellas Nainatas Bridge. So we are going to Nine Arch Bridge. එතනින් පයින් ගියාම කිලෝමීටර කීයද? එකමාරක්. So we thought about walking to the Nine Arches Bridge, but it seems like the kids were getting a bit tired from the travel. We decided to take a tuk-tuk and began our journey towards the beautiful Nine Arches Bridge. So guys, if you choose to walk you the Nine Arches Bridge, you are in for something special. The area is incredible beautiful, and being there makes you feel like nature is giving you a warm hug. And this tuk-tuk ride also not bad at all. We are enjoying. Believe me, walking there will give you a memory you won't forget. You will get to enjoy the amazing views all around you. The tuk-tuk driver usually asks us for around 300 rupees, which is about 1 USD dollar. But keep in mind, this price might be different if you are a tourist. So I believe we are getting close to our drop-off point of the tuk-tuk for Nine Arch Bridge. Better is okay. So we had to walk 200 meters from the three-wheel stopped there. So let's go see the Nine Arch Bridge. We decided to start walking, but it looks like we need to carry our kids along. Today it's a bit rainy and the road is little slippery due to the rain. Just taking it easy and being cautious as we go. You can get the jackfruit smell here.
It's like this thing, Varaka.
Yes.
Tani Varaka.
It's a common name, right?
I think so.
Varaka. I can see that. Look at me. Above me. Don't play. Wow, we made it. We have arrived at the Nine Arches Bridge. We reached our destination. Woo.
Here we go. The famous Nine Arch Bridge.
Ну, давай дальше, до первого пролета хотя бы. Еще. Че, вот так провожу просто, да, вот так?
Finally we are here. The train, we missed the train. Had to
We
wait.
are waiting for the next one.
Next train, right?
Yeah. We come around 11:57.
So guys, Nine Arches Bridge, built by the British in the 1921s. Its history meets beauty, endless air is crisp, and the views mind-blowing. Trains still roll across the bridge, real ones. Imagine the scenes, tea gardens, waterfalls, and those arches. Photos would be epic. Tourists and photographers love it. You can pose for perfect shots with nature's frame. No fancy stuff needed. Walk from Ella, chat with locals, and there you go, Nine Arches Bridge. Ready for an adventure and some magic? Nine Arches Bridge, history, nature, and wonder in one. Lots of tourists show up, loving Sri Lanka and snapping away. The Nine Arches Bridge is a hit, perfect pick spot. Look at them, how they are enjoying. Here we go. People come together waiting for the train. They are here to enjoy the view. That's what makes the Nine Arches Bridge so special. It's all about the experience.
Because drink.
After Nine Arches Bridge, so tired. We walk, carrying this too, and so now getting refreshed now. Need energy to drive. Oh. Nice water, but coconut.
Yeah, it's become a little bit matured one. That's why.